Well, good morning everyone. Made it through the night. Wasn't a bad sleep. It's very cold. Like, you wouldn't think it was summer. Yeah, once the sun went down last night, the temperature dropped. And then overnight, dropped a lot. But yeah, wasn't too bad of a sleep. Kept waking up a lot though. The swag was all open up, so of course the cold was going to get in, wasn't it? Not that it doesn't matter, I prefer the chill, or prefer the cold. But yeah, I've got my morning coffee. There we go, that's what we need. What's good now, they don't go cold as quick. Yeah, I bought the Camelback camp mug, so that keeps it hot for about 4 hours, and it works pretty well. Like, I've had a cup of tea and it lasts bloody ages. But yeah, coffee this morning. Warm up a little bit by the stove, because I can't have a fire. But yeah, what is it? I think it's about 5:30. I can't help waking up early, because I suppose if I had the swag windows down, then I'd be able to, obviously it'd be dark, so I'd be able to sleep a bit longer possibly. Yeah, with it all open, because I want the airflow. It's like, the first bit of light, and then, the birds were going ballistic this morning, which is beautiful. I loved it. I was just laying there, just listening to the birds. I even had a visit from a couple of kookaburras. One just landed on the post over there. I tried to film it, but obviously, like I said, it doesn't have zoom on the camera, so I didn't get much of a view. And then another one's landed just over there behind me. Yeah, not the only ones awake, but yeah, people are gradually stirring, I think. Yeah, I enjoy it. I really like it out here. I think I hopped into the swag just after 8 o'clock. I was just sitting here listening to music. I'd have to say the mozzie things seemed to be working, because I don't think there was any mosquitoes at all. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my coffee and just sit and listen for a bit. Once again, I've only got a 45-minute drive home, so there's no real great rush to get out of here. Well, that's it guys. I am now sitting in Dwelling Up, packed up camp, had me breakfast. Yeah, just thought I'd no need to film any of that. You get the gist of packing up a camp in, I think, previous videos. So yeah, what I've done is just, driven into Dwelling Up, went to the bathroom, cleaned myself up a bit, went and grabbed a coffee from the Blue Wren Cafe. But yeah, just sitting down the park here, the one with the big log in the background and other various things. Hotham Valley trains over there. But yeah, final thoughts on Tony's Bend. Pretty much summed it up in all the other parts, but I liked it. It was very good. I enjoyed the nature, the sounds. Even in the morning there, the birds were going nuts. But yeah, it was good. Like I said, for me, and the flies are out here too. Yeah, for me, the only gripe I really have is those kids that were just in and out of the toilet constantly, and they were just making so much noise, slamming the door. They couldn't seem to figure out the bloody locking mechanism on the door. And I don't think they were going to the toilet. I think they were just playing in the toilet. Because no sooner they were in there, they're out. And give them 10-15 minutes, they're back in there. And they kept being noisy. Like, they just... You could hear them throughout the whole campground, just yelling and screaming. And that's what I mean. People are going to be like, oh, that's for kids, or you were a kid once, and all the rest of it. But there's a point. It's like the parents didn't care that their kids were being loud and slamming the door and I don't know, it's just, to me that's annoying. And my campground being right there and them running through the campground to do whatever they were doing, that was annoying as well. So it's funny, the gripe isn't that campground itself, it's the people that you're sharing it with. I could go out there a separate time and not have an issue, so I can't just judge the whole camping trip by one situation. Anyway, I'm getting eaten alive by... Oh, the Hoffman Valley train's going. Yeah, I think I'll leave it at that. The camp as a whole was pretty good, aside from those few things. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little Lane Poole adventure. Please give me a like, it really helps the channel. And of course, leave a comment too. Let me know what you think. Any thoughts on the camp yourself. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you with the next adventure.